best qualities of Mr. Sandeep Bakhshi, and these qualities have made India's number 3 bank, and its market cap has gone up by 3 times in last 7 years. Now, first of all, you will ask me that who is Sandeep Bakhshi and why am I taking his name today? So for entrepreneurs like me, founders like me, he should be an idol, but we don't know much about him. Now I'll share a short story with you. 2 recently joined employees of this bank were walking in the head office in the lobby, and suddenly a gentleman came in front of them and asked them that, how are you guys? And they said, like, fine, we are good. How about you? They chatted for maybe a minute, 1.5, and then he left from there. And both of them were asking each other that, who is he? And then another person came from there and told him that he is our CEO and MD. And they were looking at each other, oh my God, we just spoke to the CEO and MD and we did not know that he is Mr. Sandeep Bakhshi. This is ICICI Bank, and it has gone through a phenomenal transformation in the last 7 years. Though Mr. Sandeep Bakhshi joined ICICI Bank in 1986, but he got an opportunity to be promoted as CEO and MD of ICICI Bank in 2018. Mr. Sandeep Bakhshi takes over the reins of the bank with a very, very humble approach. He just continues to do small things at a time, one thing at a time. And the first quality that he brought was being humble, egoless banking, egoless leadership, and this started changing the entire organization. Second thing that he brought in the bank was to focus on risk-free debt. So the bank's approach before 2018 was growth at any cost. Go to the large corporates, lend them at 7.5% rate of interest, no matter whatever happens, but we will grow at any cost. So he said, no, we will go behind better margins. So we will go for smaller opportunities, but we will not lend at any cost. We will not take major risk. And that started bringing more and more profit. Asset quality improved significantly, though ROE, ROA, everything. Now, number 3, digital first. He gave a clear mandate to the banking team that we have to be 100% digital. Anything and everything that we do, we have to be digital. And that started making ICICI Bank the most digitally advanced bank of India. Their digitalization is of next level. Number 4, now this is one of the most important things Sandeep Bakhshi bought in his bank. This was trust and inspire leadership. This was servant leadership, a combination of 2 leaderships that he brought in his organization. Now all have to work as a team together. Similar to any organization, even in ESDS, we have individuals being measured today, that if you have performed as an individual, then and then only you will be promoted in the organization. But Mr. Sandeep Bakhshi very clearly gave this message that you grow as a team, you survive as a team, and you perish as a team. You cannot isolate people from the team that, no, we want to fire this person, or no, we don't want this person in the team, we want only this person in the team. No, he started bringing team culture, and that brought a massive transformation. Number 5 thing, he got rid of internal competition. No need to create unnecessarily internal competition, toxic culture. He helped the bank to overcome a toxic culture. Number 6 thing, good governance. The entire governance mechanism which he has bought, he's managed to change the entire way ICICI Bank functions today. There is perfect governance which has been established by this bank. Number 7 thing, he has managed to get rid of the hierarchical culture. So there were multiple layers of hierarchies, multiple levels of approvals were required in ICICI Bank to do anything. He implemented a horizontal culture. There is a committee for this. The committee takes the decision. There is leadership in this role. The leader alone would take the decision. The proposals will not keep on going between this committee, that committee, that committee. They will not just keep on hopping multiple places. ICICI is the only bank today which can actually disburse a sizable, a massive loan to an enterprise in just 24 hours of time. Can you imagine? So that's the quality of the bank which Mr. Sandeep Bakhshi has created in last 7 years of time, and a lesson for promoters, founders, entrepreneurs like me, that we also can do things with humility. There is no need to make PR of everything. There is no need to share your future plans all the time with people. And you can trust anyone and everyone. You don't need to identify that who is the topper in the department and I'll create a bell curve in the organization. Absolutely not required. Put a good governance framework in the organization and remain humble. The way Mr. Sandeep Bakhshi walks in the head office and there is no crowd following him. He is neither on his phone all the time. He's very simple, goes there in a meeting which is scheduled for him, attends the meeting, and he inspires the entire organization to work like him with peace of mind. No matter if you work for 12 hours or 15 hours of the day, Sandeep Bakhshi demonstrates to his entire organization that when you have a peace of mind, all your decisions would go right. And when you do not announce too many things, your decisions are bound to be right.